The Death Star. They'll take
I'm
you
not
out.
even going to make some pumpkin pie, nothing this weekend. No cooking for me, that is off the bounds. But I tell you, if you are heading out trick-or-treating this weekend, it is looking pretty spooky outside for all the ghouls and gals heading out. Mostly dry, spookily mild, and some eerie fog patches around as well. Now, it's most likely to be misty and manic through western areas, devilishly dry further east, but your witches are going to want to hold on to your broomsticks in the northwest. Some spooky showers, and it could also be pretty windy. Here's the details elsewhere.
Love your home, whatever the weather. With Good Morning Britain National Weather. Sponsored by Checkatrade.com.
Checkatrade.com.
This is how it is looking today, though. We really haven't had any major changes with our weather for about 3 weeks now. High pressure's been dominating. Weather fronts that have advanced, and this one has here, bringing with it thicker cloud with some patchy light rain, have really not caused much in the way of wet weather. They will try and progress this weekend. They won't make much progress. By and large, high pressure sits in the south, and what that does is it brings lighter winds, some clearer skies at night. That's why we've had fog over recent mornings, but the cloudier conditions this morning mean it's not quite as foggy and misty and murky. The weather front in the north, yes, it will bring thicker cloud. Don't be surprised if there's the odd spot of rain in the air, but generally it's looking dry. Thickest cloud in the west, brightest conditions in the east, but again mild. 15, 16 degrees, our top temperature. Amazing for the end of October. Through this evening and overnight tonight, we will start to see a little bit of wet weather just making progress through the northern half of Scotland, but away from here it is dry, cloudy. Again, we could see some mist and fog, but it won't be too cold because the cloud keeps in the heat of the day, and these temperatures by night are even warmer than we should be seeing by day at this time of year. So yes, like I said, spookily mild as we head through the weekend. As we head through Saturday, again, it's really a case of spot the difference. Weather fronts wait in the wings, brighter skies in the east and staying mild. But don't forget, Saturday night into Sunday morning, the clocks will change. At 2 o'clock, they go back 1 hour. The way to remember it is spring forward, fall back. So it will be 1 hour lighter first thing on Sunday morning. So when you go out, you'll definitely notice brighter conditions. Rain starts to progress from the north and west. That will make inroads through Monday, but the outlook for next week largely dry, but turning colder. For the weather.